Hello guys, so we are about to replace the spark plugs on this 2015 Kia Sedona. And all we need is a 5/8 socket, a 5/8 spark plug remover, a 10mm, and then a wrench, and of course our spark plug. So we will first go ahead and unscrew this 10mm bolt with this right here. Yep. Okay, so now I have unscrewed, taken the bolt out. So we will take our ignition coil, we'll squeeze it, turn it around a little bit, and then pull it out. So there's our spark plug. Just a spark plug in there. So we grab our 5/8 socket.
I have that. Daddy. I have it. Daddy, I have that. Daddy, give it back. Daddy, give it back. Daddy,
Put a little pressure on it.
It's like this.
There we go, light it.
Daddy, share. Daddy, how to share? It's not all yours. Daddy, it's not yours. It has to share. Daddy, share. Daddy, you have to share, Daddy. Has to share. Daddy, has to share. Daddy.
So now, after unscrewing it, we take it out slowly. Yep, and so that's the old one.
Daddy, I have that one.
That's the old one.
I have it.
So now, the next thing is you want to compare the two. You want to make sure that the old one and the new one are kind of the same.
Okay, Daddy.
So as you can see, that's the old one, and this is the new one. So the next step is kind of important. So yep, you slide the new spark plug in there.
Dad, I have that first. Daddy, I have.
So when you slide the new spark plug in, you want to go take the wrench off, right? Okay, let's start. Then you want to start tightening it with your hand. Make sure it's fit. Yeah. You tighten it until you feel that snug. So we're going to take the last spark plug out. So unscrew it. That's a 10mm. The bolt away. And yep. As you can see, our spark plug is in there.